sure there's a lot of ways to do this. But this is how I try to get a nice flat surface on an oil pan. I just use the flat part of the concrete. And I look for the rubbed off parts wherever it's nice and rubbed off. I know that's a high spot, and I hammer it down just a little until I get a nice even surface scrub. Where you're pro when you're hammering. So of course I broke out another hammer. One of my body hammers has that nice long flat end. I can get down between the grooves here and here, you know. Then I broke out my machinist square to help out. It's not perfect, but I made sure I got some sanded off on every single surface. You know, just to make sure I get a seal. The gasket I'm using is pretty thick and rubber. It should seal no problem.